Church, late night worship is happening here tonight at 7:30 till 9. It's run by our young adults, but it's for everyone to turn up to. Kyle Corbin is actually doing the music with some other band members, so you don't want to miss out, okay? It's going to be a great night, stripped back, worship in God's presence. You don't want to miss it. Be there tonight, 7:30 till 9. See you there.
Men, this is the last week to book into the Courageous Men Choreo Night. We'll be joined by Pastor Jon Frogatt, so if you want to join in with other men and fellowship together, this is where to be. Make sure you're there.
Tonight, am I the only one who's not okay? My mind is feeling like the enemy, but I'm alright.
One day,
one church,
all generations,
all together.
What could happen when the church comes together?
Together Festival 2026.
June the 20th, 2026 at Himley Hall.
With live music, creative shows,
Comedy,
exclusive youth activities,
challenges, climbing wall, archery, kids shows and tons of activities.
there's a makers market,
Street food,
creative workshops,
featuring Philippa Hannah, Mark Ritchie, Lindy,
Paddy Simba, Together Band,
Together Choir.
with more to be announced.
Join us together with tickets from £6 each.
Ladies, this one is for us. The next devoted event is going to be the time to testify, and it's happening on Saturday the 25th of April, where we're going to hear stories of encouragement, testimonies of what God's been doing in your lives. So there's going to be refreshments as well. Why don't you book in on Church Suite or through our website for this event? We'd love to see as many of you there so we can be encouraged in our faith together. Easter weekend is coming up and we've got plenty happening throughout the whole of that period. So we're going to start off with Palm Sunday, where we're going to have a service featuring the Kingdom Kids Dance Crew. It's going to be amazing. And then we're also going to have on Good Friday a service in the town centre outside so everyone can join in. And then we're going to be following that in the evening with a communion service here at church. And then on Saturday, on the Easter weekend, there's going to be a family walk over at Baggeridge Park. So you can join us for that with your families or invite a friend along for that. And then we're going to finish the weekend on a high with baptisms on Easter Sunday. It's going to be a great time. So if you're thinking of getting baptised, then get in and talk to the leadership on that. But also it's going to be a wonderful time celebrating the cross, what Jesus has done, the greatest sacrifice in human history, and we want you to be there to join in with the celebration with us. So come along, it's going to be a great weekend, and you can find all that information on our website. So we can't wait to celebrate what God has done with you at Easter. That's all for church news, but don't forget this Wednesday is released and we'll have part 2 of the Cross Before the Crown series, so don't miss out and be there 7:30 on Wednesday. Have a great week, guys.